Hi, in this video I will show you how to check your local area network speed. So you're probably familiar with the speed test, but this time we're not going to check our internet speed, but instead we're gonna check the network speed between computers. So let's get started. To do that, we're gonna need a tool called iperf3. Okay, so the first of all, I'm gonna install iperf3 on my Windows PC. You can install it with winget like this. Right, once done, we're gonna start the servers of the iperf3 here. Now the server is listening on port 5201. Now let's get back to the other machine. In this case, I'm gonna use my MacBook, so I'm gonna install with the brew install iperf3. All right, when it's done, we can start the network speed test to my PC. So I'm gonna use my iperf3 -c, my PC IP address, which is this one, and here you go. All right, once it's done, you're gonna get a report what is the speed of the network between computer, like this. All right, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.